We're going to have a look at a more difficult question here about area of the triangle. It's on page 9 of your notes of the line and it's left blank for you. So it's example 3. It says we have 3 points, -1, 3, 2, -4 and 5k. They are the vertices of a triangle of area 24 square units. So obviously the difference here being that you're given the area of the triangle, but we're missing one of the coordinates of the third point. Find 2 possible values for k. So the solution, what we do is, what we always have to do for the area of the triangle, we must move one of the vertices to 0, 0. So I'm going to go for the point -1, 3, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 unit to the x value, and I'm going to then subtract 3 units from the y value, but I'm going to have to do that for each point. So for the first 2, it is the normal business. I'm adding 1 to the x, I'm subtracting 3 from the y to get 0, 0. I'm doing the exact same for the second point. I'm adding 1 to the x coordinate, that'll bring me to 3. I'm subtracting 3 from the y coordinate, that'll bring me to -7. And that is going to be my x1, y1 in my formula in a moment. And then the last point, again, I'm doing the same thing. I'm adding 1 to the x, I'm taking 3 from the y. When I add 1 to 5, I get 6, no problem. And when I take 3 from k, I get k -3. Okay, that's not too difficult, but it's something we're just not quite as used to. And that's going to be my x2, y2. So now when I go to fill in my formula, where I'm filling in, I'll just go back for a second here to show you again. My x1, y1 is my 3 -7. My x2, y2 is my 6 and k -3. So what do I do? Well, my area is the 24. I'm filling in a half 3 times y2. So x1 is 3, but y2 is the k -3. The x2 is 6 and the y1 is -7. I multiply it out. I tidy it up. I get down as far as here. 24 is equal to a half times 3k plus 33. I multiply both sides by the half. I get 48 is equal to 3k plus 33 within the modulus. Now, a lot of people at this point will square both sides, and that's absolutely fine. You will certainly get to the correct, you certainly can get to the correct answer that way. However, you can choose to do what we call the plus minus case. So we'd say, like, if the modulus of x is equal to a, then we can say x is equal to plus or minus a. In the same way over here, if I say 48 is equal to the modulus of 3k plus 33, I can say plus 48 is equal to 3k plus 33, or in a minute you'll see over here the minus case, minus 48 is equal to 3k plus 33. So it is the plus minus case method, and it certainly is quicker. So if I say the positive part, 48 is equal to 3k plus 33, 15 is equal to 3k, k is equal to 5. Or over here, if I say negative 48 is equal to 3k plus 33, take the 33 from both sides, again, negative 81 is equal to 3k, divide both sides by 3, negative 27 is equal to k. So my 2 answers are k is equal to 5 and k is equal to negative 27. And if you go back to the start and try it out, you will of course find that you do get the area of the triangle to be 24 square units. Okay, I hope that makes sense.